Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, Technical Trader at TechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 15th of November. Looked like a turnaround Tuesday. Markets had a good session. Lots of stocks are looking better. Let's take a look at apps, one of my favorites, and I'm upset I didn't put a new swing on it because this breakaway gap and follow through, even this pause was a good opportunity. Today it jumped another $1.52 or 8.3%, and my next targets are 25, 5.5, and 31 or better. Next, ARRY, one of our swing trades, acting well. You can see the volume of late after the breakout. Today was kind of a positive day and finished off the high, was still up $1.72 or 9%. Volume was 7.1 million. Looks like it wants to go. Next target 23.5 and 28. BILI exploded today through the 50 through lateral price resistance. It jumped on 25.8 million shares and it was up 26.5%. Not quite to the declining tops line, it goes back a ways, but I'm looking for a move, probably at least follow through to get up into that zone as early as tomorrow in Area 18. CABA popped out yesterday and today, beautiful follow through. You can see the chart is indicating a possibility that we're going to see 4.5 and maybe a test of the gap at 7 in that range. TWOU, the Chinese semiconductor stock, popped above the 50 pullback, and today it's a bit of a pop again, not big, but 340, 6%. I'll take it. You can see that we get above that zone, we may run all the way into the $70 range. EPIX exploded, wedge popped out and then stalled yesterday, but today resumed the advance with a gain of 48 cents or 14%. Looks like it's going to advance the next target near 7. Fdmt going ballistic the last 4 days, from under 8 to over 19 in just four or 5 sessions. So I like to look at this. It's extended, it's at my target. Look for a pullback entry opportunity. Next target might be 21-ish. First solar flagging, but it acts like it wants to pop out with the next target 175. And an immediate target now has to be upwards of 200. GDS, big snapback of late, under 9, 846 to be exact, just a couple of weeks ago to 1738. That's a double. And today it closed at moving average of resistance. We get through here, you might see additional momentum take it into the low to mid 20s. GRWG really having a nice surge of late. Having gone just in a few days from 320 to 658, nearly tripling. And you can see it's the highest level reached on this one since May. Next target's going to have to be up here. About 990, how's that one? MGNI, a big spike, pull back, and now resuming the advance. That should get through here. You might see the stock make a move towards 14. Really good momentum, as does MNSO have in the last 3 weeks. 445 to today's high at 1138. Fantastic move, taking out the declining top line as well. Next resistance 12. That's your target. Pdsb, we pointed out the double bottom to breakout yesterday. Today, beautiful follow through. Maybe hit it to your next target near $10. PEGY popped out of a 4 or 5 week falling wedge with a breakaway pop. It didn't close great, but it was up on a day, up 74 cents or 31% at 309 with a high 367. We get about 367. This could be a $5-6 stock. Rite Aid. Big pop right to resistance. Volume came in at 4.6 million, the best on an up day in about a couple of months, so we may get an extension breakaway to 875. Green Central, big pop breakout 4 days ago, a nice stall yesterday, an extension today. I believe you're probably headed to upwards of 46.5 3/4. SE exploded 17 points at 37%, 43 million shares. I'm sorry, 71.6 million shares. Huge volume. You can see that I think a follow through gets you to 69. Seed stirring, and today popped above the moving averages to close there. We haven't seen that in a couple of weeks, but more importantly, late in the day, some volume came in. Let's see if it perks up a little bit tomorrow. SHLS, breakaway gap. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave is underway. This is another solar stock that looks like it has more to go, and 35 is your target. TME coming out of a big base. I'm not sure, but it was a big day today. 445 to 587, it closed 581 up 136, a 30% gain. Mine was a hefty 32.3 million. It's right at resistance here. Further upside, and you might see 7.5. Taiwan Semi TSM, also a big pop to resistance and a pullback near declining top line and moving average. This is my target, so we'll see if it goes any further. If it does, maybe high 80s. TWOU with a pop, pullback, and another pop today. It jumped 17%, and it's set for higher levels near 9.75 and 11. And finally, that was two more. Sorry, U took out the declining top line and through all three moving averages, it's gone spike up 21.5 to 36, 15 points in a week. Looking for extension. You might see high 40s before not too long. And finally, YMM spiked up to the declining top line, up about 13% today. And any follow through could get it up towards the 9.575 on my next target. Let's look at some of the more intriguing and hot stocks at detectradio.com. This is HP signing off, everybody. You have a great evening. Let's make some money tomorrow.